Imagine being able to give different prices to different customers on the same product on your same Shopify store. No coupon codes, no duplicate products or duplicate stores required. A customer simply logs in and they instantly see their special prices and any bulk pricing unique to them. It's like magic. Now, I'll get into how all this works in a minute, but how it's used is actually what's really exciting. With this app, you can create customer groups like Gold, Silver, Platinum, with steeper discounts based on how much they spend, how often they buy, or what they buy. You can finally create member pricing. Pricing can be based on what a customer bought, so if they buy your membership product, you can give their account member pricing. Or it could just be because they purchased a specific product. For example, maybe they bought an espresso machine and now you want to treat them like a member and give their account 10% off espresso beans. Or you could just make a VIP customer group if you simply want to tag a customer manually and reward them for something. And of course, one of the main ways this app is used is for wholesale and dealer pricing. And the best part is you can create as many levels of wholesale pricing as you like, because after all, dealers have price levels too. Tier 1 with standard wholesale prices, Tier 2 with steeper wholesale rates for larger dealers, and so on. Another exciting way Shopify merchants are using this is to create employee pricing, so your staff can simply log in and get their special pricing. Or it's great if you sell to clubs, schools, camps, nonprofits, or any other special group that needs pricing. Do you run an influencer program or work with creators? If you do, make sure you offer them VIP pricing too. They expect VIP treatment. We're even seeing Shopify stores use it to run their dropshipping program. Dropshippers log in, see their special dropship wholesale rates, and then place the order to be shipped directly to their customers. The list of ways this can be used is endless. You might even have other ideas. But let's talk about how easy this is to set up so you can get started today. The app uses the tag applied to a customer's account to show the correct pricing. Super simple. You can set the app to auto-tag the customer based on how much they spend, how often they buy, or what products they buy. And best of all, the app can automatically email customers to let them know they've moved to a new price group. So if a customer becomes a VIP customer because they spent $500 or placed their third order or purchased a specific product, make sure to let them know so they become a loyal customer for life. Now, besides auto-tagging, you can just simply add a tag to the customer account, and that works too. And this is how most shops tag their wholesale customers, for example. Customer pricing groups can be set up basically any way you can imagine. If you have complex pricing, you can upload a CSV file with all the prices of a specific group, or you can manually set prices of every single product and even every single variant in the detailed prices panel. Or if you want to keep it simple, you can simply set rules like 15% off the entire store for your VIP customers. And of course, it doesn't have to be store-wide. You can set a customer group to get discounts by section. All t-shirts, 15% off, all headwear, 10% off, accessories, 20%. You get the idea. Should some customers get bulk pricing? Well, if so, you can actually set up bulk price rules per specific customer group. So buy 2, get 5% off, buy 5, get 10% off, and so on. Maybe you want your wholesale customers to get bulk pricing, but not your retail customers. Or maybe both get bulk pricing, but at different amounts. So your retail customers might get discounts at 2, 5, and 10, but wholesale customers get their discounts at 10, 50, and 100 products. There's really no other way to do this on Shopify, but with this app, it's actually super simple. You can see how with just a few clicks, you can create a powerful program for VIP customers, special groups, gold and platinum customers, your wholesale dealers, and maybe even your employees too. The Bold Custom Pricing app is the most powerful way to create and manage pricing groups on Shopify, and I guarantee there's a use for just about every Shopify store. The app comes with a free trial, so you have nothing to lose to trying it, and we have an amazing and friendly support team standing by, excited to help you get it set up.